I love CoinZoom. I love the ecosystem that CoinZoom has put together. And if you're in the United States like myself, you know how challenging it is to have access to some of these incredible services within blockchain or cryptocurrency. CoinZoom has built an ecosystem that is a full-on service so that you can not only exchange for other cryptocurrencies, but you can actually utilize them or spend them as well. We're going to discuss that right here on this video. Now, during this video, if you feel that there was any value to you at all, definitely hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification so that way you get notified every time we upload videos throughout the time. And again, we do appreciate all the love and support right here on this channel. Today, we're gonna go over CoinZoom. I just started using CoinZoom. I love it, okay? I think that if you're a newbie, this is probably the best place to start. I know that I've gone through several different exchanges, and it's interesting because when you're involved in cryptocurrency and blockchain, you're registered in like 9 different exchanges because there's just so many different tokens or different cryptocurrencies that are found in different exchanges. And some of them you like different features, whereas some of them you actually can't find certain coins. CoinZoom is a great place to start if you're brand new. And let me explain you the reason why it's such a great place. Now, before I go through all the features of CoinZoom, right below this video, there's a link that you can click. This will actually prompt you to open up a CoinZoom account. If you follow the instructions, you can get $10 in free crypto when you open up your account. This is exciting, but you got to execute a single trade of 100 USD, and you got to do it within 30 days of holding that within that account. Again, read all the details on the website so that way you have better clarity. But let's get right into all the features of CoinZoom. Now, one of the features that CoinZoom does offer is security. We've all read the news about someone stole Bitcoin or this exchange got hacked, and these are all things that are absolutely a concern for all of us, including myself. CoinZoom offers layers of security, multi-layer security protection, multi-factor authentication, as well as USD is held in an FDIC insured accounts. So this is actually very important. The other thing that I think is a huge benefit is the crypto debit card. People will always ask me, Tuan, how do I spend my cryptocurrency? I'm earning all this cryptocurrency. Sometimes I want to spend it. Well, CoinZoom offers a multifaceted function crypto debit card. This is a great crypto debit card where you can actually use it at 53 million plus location because it's backed by Visa. And also you can actually have it handheld or even actually have it digitally on a mobile app where it can be scanned or used. So this is actually great. There's a lot of great benefits behind this. I'm going to go over that in a little bit. The other thing that they offer is CoinZoom staking. So staking is a big thing. On this channel, we'll be discussing a lot about different staking protocols that are out there. But they currently right now offer 2 different stakings with 2 different cryptocurrencies, and it's ranging between 7 and 13% yield a year. So this is actually great for those that are new to the cryptocurrency space. You can start staking immediately through the CoinZoom app. Another thing that people have concerns about is that when you are depositing your fiat currency in an exchange, your question is there enough liquidity for me to be able to exchange my fiat currency for crypto? So they have deep liquidity and they have partnerships with other different exchanges, so that way they can provide that liquidity when you need to exchange, buy or sell. There's advanced analytics when you're looking at the charts. So there's what's called CoinZoom AI, over 100 built-in studies and technical indicators for those that are quote unquote pro traders that are want to be able to access these. This is pretty cool. And this is a cool feature right here, Zoom Me. Some of you might know Zelle or Venmo. Well, CoinZoom has built in a internal Venmo where you can actually send fiat currency literally almost anywhere in the world, and it's free. So if someone says, hey, I actually need some cash, you can actually send them through Zoom Me peer-to-peer. That way they can use that USD to actually buy cryptocurrency within the exchange or the app. So I think this is actually pretty cool. Again, only those that are actually having access to CoinZoom app can actually use this function. So let's hover over to looking at the card features when you're using CoinZoom. So these are the 5 different debit cards that CoinZoom has available. You can actually start with the green one, This one provides a daily limit of $500 to spend. Whenever you're using your debit card, you're getting a cashback reward of 1%. Now, when they give you cash back, they don't give you cash back in the form of dollars. They give you cash back in the form of Zoom tokens. Now, Zoom tokens at the time of recording this, it's currently about 66 cents per token. I currently own about 50,000 of it. I'm planning on actually doubling that in the next handful of weeks. So as people are continuing to use it, as they are actually utilizing the ecosystem, they're continuing to accumulate more of the Zoom token. As there's more utilization that's happening, the value of Zoom tokens starts going up. So I think this is pretty cool. It's included with a virtual card. You can actually Zoom Me Global $500 a day. There's a referral reward limit of 1,000. And there's card security features, 24/7 support, ATM access, and you get the physical card, but you have to purchase it by holding 200 Zoom tokens. Required Zoom holdings to earn rewards is 2,000, and you have access to CoinZoom Visa card wherever it's available. We'll discuss that in a little bit. Now let's go over the white card. The white card has a daily limit of 1,000. And this is where you're going to start being able to get discounts on the trading fee. So every time you're exchanging different cryptocurrencies, you want to be able to actually have discounts on that. So you can actually have a discount of 10% on the fee. Your card rewards now is bumped up to 2%. Your Zoom Me goes from 500 a day to now 1,000 to be able to transfer peer-to-peer cash. You have access to the virtual card. Your referral reward now bumps up to 2,500. And you have all the other features like the green one, and you can actually have access to this card by holding 10,000 Zoom tokens. And the physical card needs to be, in order for you to get the physical card, it's 200 Zoom, just like the green. Let's look at the gold one. The gold one, the daily limit is 2,500 limit to be able to spend. The trading fee discount now doubles to 20%. Now the cashback reward is now at 3%, and CoinZoom Instant Rewards is at 1%. Okay, so Zoom Me Global 2,500 a day, airdrop eligible. So wait a minute, so this is pretty cool. If you want to look at all these different features, they actually break it down right here. So what does airdrop eligible mean? CoinZoom Visa Rewards members are eligible for new coin listings and other promotional airdrops. Initial airdrop will be in Neo for the first 100 gold, platinum, or black members. So guys, this is what it pretty much means, is that you have privilege benefits, where as long as you're holding the gold or higher, you're getting pretty much quote unquote free money, because that's what airdrop is. Anytime they're coming out with some new tokens or new cryptocurrency that they want to make sure it's available out there, certain people who hold certain things gets the benefit of having it airdropped into your account. So that only starts at the gold card. You get a free physical gold card. You don't actually have to spend 200 Zoom tokens. You actually get it for free by holding the required Zoom amount of 2,500 tokens. So I have currently the platinum right now. This is a daily spending limit of 5,000. Now the trading fee is huge. At this point, you're getting 35% discount. Your cashback reward in terms of Zoom tokens at 4%, and you have CoinZoom Instant Rewards at 2%. Zoom Me Global 5,000 a day, airdrop eligible, virtual card. Your referral reward limit now is at $20,000. Card security features, all the same benefits, but in order for you to hold the platinum card, you need to have at least $50,000 in Zoom holdings. Now guys, let me just explain this ecosystem for a second. I think this is very clever, because if you're holding 50,000 Zoom tokens and you're not selling it off and it's not out there in the marketplace, what it's doing is that this part of the ecosystem is retaining the value of the tokens. The more people are holding the Zoom tokens, the more it increases value, because there's less available out in the marketplace. So I think this is actually a very, very powerful feature that they're requiring us to hold 50,000 or more, depending on what card you want to have. You have free wire transfer ability, CoinZoom Visa card, wherever it's available. So let's talk about the black one, okay? I'm excited about this. I'm looking forward to be able to actually nudge myself up to the black one. I wanted to test out the platinum one real quick, waiting for that to come in the mail. But your trading fee is maxed out at discount at 50%. Your card reward cashback is now at 5% every time you use the card. CoinZoom instant rewards at 3%. And the Zoom Me Global is at $10,000 a day. And airdrop eligible virtual card 50,000 limit for referral rewards. For those of you guys that are still questioning what does this mean, every time you refer someone, you also earn $10. So the person who actually creates their account, they get $10 of Zoom tokens sent into their account once they actually trade $100 worth of USD, and it's done and held within 30 days. Not only that they get it, but you, the referrer, also gets $10, and you get a limit up to $50,000 of being able to earn that. Card security features just like everything else, and your required Zoom holdings though needed is 100,000. Okay, guys, this is not a lot. Guys, this is not a lot. At the time of recording this video, 50,000 is only like $3,300. Okay, this one you're doubling. This is like $6,600 to be able to actually have access to use the black card. So, and you're able to get all these different benefits. This is huge. So guys, all the terms and conditions are found on the website right here. Make sure you read all that. And again, for those of you that want to get started right away, make sure on the bottom of this video, click on that link. You'll be able to support this channel to keep it going by doing so, but you're also gonna have access to earning that $10 of Zoom tokens as well. Another feature I really like about CoinZoom is allowing the retail market to have different options to transfer their fiat currency into the cryptocurrency world. You can actually purchase cryptocurrency through debit or credit card in the back office. You can actually do ACH, which pretty much is linking your bank account. There is a limit. I believe it's $500 a day of being able to have access to doing that. It takes a few days for it to be available to actually be able to withdraw. But if you want it quick done, you can wire transfer as much money as you want, and it takes only a handful of days. I've heard it's been 3 to even 5 days max to having whatever you wire transfer to be available for you to not only just trade, but for you to withdraw that cryptocurrency out of CoinZoom if you wanted to. Even at $100,000, you can do that. So I like this feature, the fact that it's really easy for someone to use, to have access, and be able to get from the fiat world to the cryptocurrency world, and having all these different features to do so. So with that, guys, again, thank you so much. Hopefully this video helped, and I will create another video to give you an app walkthrough and tutorial on how to use CoinZoom. Thank you so much. Like, subscribe. If you have any questions or you feel like you want to be able to drop a comment below, do so. Love to be able to hear you guys and hear you guys' thoughts about this video or any of the videos that I actually feature out there. So with that, thank you so much, guys. See you guys on the next video.